Meron na naman pong newest product ang Cersei Beauty na si Tinted Sunscreen. So, ayan guys, finally, the most requested product sa Cersei Beauty line is finally available in the market. So, syempre, iti-test natin yan. Ayan, maglagay tayo ng konti sa aking kamay and tingnan natin kapag binlend. So, ayan guys, as you can see, ganyan po yung kanyang consistency. Very light, kaya naman talagang lightweight din siya sa inyong mga balat. Meron siyang konting pagka-watery, very minimal lang naman. Which is maganda yan guys sa hydration of course. Di ko sure kung visible sa camera, pero ayan, kasi tinted sunscreen to and nagko-color adapt din siya guys. Kapag binlend mo pa siya, makikita mo na yung kanyang pagka-powdery effect. By the way, it has Japanese alpha arbutin which is 10 times stronger. Meron na rin siyang SPF 60 PA++++. And of course, 50 ml na rin siya guys. This is also brightening, hydrating, antioxidant,